you guys. So gonna polish my nails today. I already have this on my Nail Aid Keratin 3-day grow, and I decided I wanted to go ahead and try to use the Sassy and Chic that I picked up at Dollar Tree. It's really pretty. It's green, sparkly. I just think it's going to be kind of thin, but we'll see. I just want to do something really quick because actually I have another video I want to film for you guys, and I wanted my nails to have something on it for the video. I was thinking of doing this as a base first because I think this is going to be pretty thin, and I want this to kind of show through, so I'm going to test that out. So I think I'm going to go ahead and put this on as a base first and go over it with a couple of coats of that and see if it will glow with this on top. I'm hoping so, because this turns sort of matte after putting it on top of another polish, and I wanted to have that shine, whatever this is going to give. I don't want it to be covered up. So I'm going to go ahead and just put, I think, just one coat of this on as the base. This is the Ghoulish Glow by China Glaze that I picked up at, I don't know why I was about to say 7-Eleven, at CVS. If you guys watched either my walk down the polish aisle with me video or my haul video, then you've seen it in one of those. This is really thick too, so I don't think it needs 2 coats. Let me show you. I don't know if you guys can see, it's really thick. It's like snot almost. It's already crusting around here, and I've only used it one time so far. I used it with when I polished my nails with, I can't remember what it was. I did a dark purple, and I put this over the top, and it just completely took away the like the holographic glitter that I had going on. But the glow was awesome. It glowed so good. You just couldn't tell in the video, but this does have a really, really good glow. It's hard to find one of these with that has a really good glow. So I've had a few, like Wet n Wild, gosh, what other glow? I think I've had a couple other glow in the darks, and they were nothing compared to this one. This is a really good one. I'm gonna let this dry a little bit and then move on to the Sassy plus Chic. Okay, so I already shook this up and got it ready to go. So let's see, I'll show you guys what it looks like. So looks like it's going to be pretty thin, like it would make a good top coat, but we just gonna see what happens. Probably gonna need a couple coats. Super thin. I wasn't expecting it to be that thin. I thought it was gonna have at least a good tint of that green color to it. I'm gonna keep going, do a couple coats and see if it get a little darker. all done. I ended up doing 3 coats just so I can get that color to show up. So I'm going to call these my slime glitter nails because that's what it reminds me of, like a slime color. Oh no, I can't get this open. Trying to open up this cuticle oil, but I think it's stuck. Oh, I got it. All right, so yeah, I have this NailTober Renew cuticle oil that I'm gonna put on really quick. Oh wait, no I'm not. I'm tripping, y'all. I need to go over them with the top coat, the quick dry top coat, to seal everything in, seal in the stickers, and then we have to test out and see if they're gonna glow. Now the stickers glow. I did those in that one video, so I know that those glow. But I am curious to see if the ghoulish glow is gonna show through as well through the glitter. So that's what I really want to see. But yeah, I ended up doing the 3 coats and adding a few of the Kiss Halloween nail art stickers, which I think looks cute. I went ahead and went with the green, little creepy hands, and a stone on the thumb, and then this one, the stars and the moon. So I think they turned out cute. I'm glad that the color darkened up a lot more than I thought it was going to be super light. I didn't think it was going to get any darker, so I am happy that it did get a little darker, but it did take 3 coats for it to actually finally show really good, you know. But I think it's pretty. It has a really nice sparkle to it for it to be $1 and sassy plus chic. And I really like the brush on that sassy plus chic too. That brush is really good, because usually when you get like those the cheap polishes, the brushes suck. But that one is really nice. So finish putting this Set JV Fast Dry on, and I'm gonna let them dry, and then we will test out and see if they glow in the dark. So I will be right back. All right, you guys, I am all done. I put on my Fast Dry and let them dry. The stickers are on, and I like them. A little simple, quick, and easy. You know what I like. I think this is so cute. I really like the stickers with the color. Show you the other hand. I have it off my tripod so I can turn the lights out and go in the dark and see if they glow. But this one's lifting a little. I think I'm gonna put a second coat of the quick dry on all of them, just to make sure the stickers are sealed. But yeah, cute. Okay, so start turning out some lights. See what happens. This glows so good. Look at that. Like, wow, the whole bottle is lit up. I don't know if the boo sticker is glowing or it's just because it's that color. Oh, maybe this one's glowing. Yeah, that boo is glowing. It's a little blurry. There we go. The hands, I don't know if the hands glow. They should. But these 2 are glowing. The stars on the moon and stars, the boo. But I don't see any glow coming through under the nail like I had hoped of the wow, that looks okay. There we go. That's so cute. Let me make it a little darker. Let's see. Get some light for a second. I think the nails are supposed to glow on the hands. I just have the light on to try to, let's see now. I can see it coming through a little a little bit on these 2 fingers here, but it's just not, you know, glowing as much as I'd hoped. The hands are, the fingernails on the hand should glow, but for some reason they're not. I'm in a little bit of light, still glowing. These, let's see. The stickers were glowing a little bit when I first turned a little light on. I don't have my flash on right now, just the ring light, but I'm kind of disappointed the nails didn't glow. Let's see. Look at the sticker. Yeah, see, the hands are glowing on the stickers. So, I don't know. Oh, shoot. Just dropped my nail polish remover. But, you know, all in all, still cute. Still had a nice glow on the stickers, which is perfectly fine. So, yeah, you guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you are new, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And thank y'all for watching. See you guys in the next one.